Everybody playing in here. We've got little white satin here front. Irene, this is your girl. It's getting so pretty. Come here. Hey. Hey, come here. There's the dark mink male. Hey, Bubba. Hey. There we go. Come here. What you doing? Oh! Tiny little light mink female. Hey, dark mink male. Looking pretty. And there's our charcoal sepia male. Go. Oh, you can go this way. Show us this side. Pretty boy. And there's a light mink female hiding over there. Oh, hi, sweetie. Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Yes, I know you're having fun. There she is. Hi, pretty girl. You can be a very pretty girl. Come here this side. Pretty girl. Oh, good girl. Little lynx female up there. Diane's little girl. Oh, come here. Did we scare you? Satin, you're not helping. You're not helping. It's a little dark mink female. Romping around like a crazy girl. Hey, baby girl. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Here. And where are you? Come here. Oh. Here is the charcoal mink male. Come here. Where you going? Where you going? Come here. Oh. You kill the toys? You want this one, huh? This one, yeah. Come on. Dark mink male again. Charcoal sepia boy running around over there. Three of them attacking the house. Little lynx female up there. Dark mink female. Or, nope, that's creamy mink female. The light mink female. Dark mink female's over there. Oh, ow! That's me. Don't scratch on me. Don't scratch on me. See, oh, see, look how pretty you are. It's dark mink male. Beautiful rosettes, nice tail. Come here. Oh. Hey, go. Give me that. Give me that. You take off with that. Oh, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Light mink female really likes this toy. She steals it any chance she can. And so does everybody else. Charcoal mink male. There's white satin. Hello, hello. What are you doing? Hey, babies. Come here. Come on, pretty girl. Come on. Oh, not you. Come here. Okay, whoever's jumping on my back needs to get off. Get off. That was a very nice you. That was a very nice you. Come here, little